preparation and scripting. A lot of people don't know how to start a video, but what if I told you that there's an easy way to start all your videos? In this section, I'm going to tell you the 3 things you need to know how to start a video. You need to know the APP method. The APP method stands for Agree, Promise, Preview. Let me break this down for you. You need to start a video with, I'm sure you would agree what. So when you're starting a video, just get an agreement. The worst mistake that people do when they start a video, they start to babble. The lawyers are the worst of that. They're like, blah, 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 and nobody cares. Like, you know, just tell me why am I watching this video. So a lot of people would agree that neck pain is really a problem, or a lot of people, I think you could agree that a lot of people at the end of the day, their neck hurts. Well, what if I told you there's a great way to, but what if I told you that, which is the second one, which is the promise. Tell people, but what if I told you that it's not that complicated? It's a great way to start the video. And then tell them what you're going to actually show them. In this video, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you what. So you tell people, I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can relieve neck pain fast. Now, if I'm watching this video, I'm like, okay, got it. I'm watching. The worst thing you can do is start with a video with babbling. Don't babble. Start like that. Remember to have calls to action. You need to have calls to action at the beginning, and you need to have calls to action at the end. One of the greatest ways to actually get likes is ask people for a like. Before we start, please like this video. That's it. Before we like, please subscribe to my channel, and then go into your content. You told people what you'd like from them. You didn't say you have to. You say, before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Now they're watching the video. If they get value, their chances are they're going to subscribe. You need to have a script. You need to have a script. You need to script all your video. I don't want you to read it. I'm just saying I hate teleprompters. I think they're the worst thing invented. You sound like a machine. You're like, hello, my name is Antoine Dupont, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm like, really? That's not fun. Just, you know, write the script so you know what you're going to be saying, but don't use a teleprompter. And rehearse. You have to rehearse. A lot of people think it's like you're natural at video marketing. You cannot believe the number of times I screw up when I do a video, or my clients do. Just rehearse it. Rehearse it 2 or 3 times. Rehearse it in front of a mirror, rehearse it in front of people, and then just go up. But it takes preparation. Remember that you need to rehearse. Like you're seeing those videos and you think, oh, people just wake up in the morning, have a cup of coffee and go. No. The professionals, they write the script, they prepare, and they rehearse. And that's why it looks great.